Delphin Diva Premiere, Antalya, Turkey. There is a 6-story building according to the needs of the guests' designed rooms. You will find every comfort to spend a pleasant holiday. There are 475 rooms which are sea view, side sea view, or landside view. The Delphin Diva, which is located on the beach of Lara, is to the city center 15 kilometers, to the airport 10 kilometers, and to the beach 0 meters. At the place where nature, the sun, and the sea connect with each other, Delphin Diva will have an unforgettable holiday with his own 230-meter-long beach. Daytime sports tournaments, competitions, pool games, interesting and nice animation shows in the evening, live music some days, sketches, review, disco, game room and internet cafe, 1 tennis court, tennis lessons, table tennis, dart, billiard, bowling, aerobic and fitness center are available so that you can spend a pleasant holiday. Mini club for children between 4 and 12 years old with German, English, and Russian-speaking animators. Special animation for children in the morning and afternoon. Indoor children's pool, children's cinema, playground, Luna Park, mini disco, cinema for children. The spacious rooms at Delphin Diva Premiere all feature air conditioning, a hairdryer, a direct dial telephone, LCD TV, satellite, music receiving, a safe, mini bar, laminate, kettle, tea and coffee, everyday housekeeping, towels are changed every day, sheets are changed every 2 days, one time. The facility offers 475 rooms from which you can choose the most suited room for you and your family. In the main restaurant, the breakfast, lunch, and dinner are as open buffet. Local drinks, some imported drinks, and soft drinks are within the concept. 6 a la carte restaurants can be used once every 3 days during your stay. Restaurants: La Kebab, Ottoman Turkish cuisine; Bluefish Restaurant, seafood; Dolce Vita Restaurant, Italian cuisine; Dragon Restaurant, sushi; Pekin Restaurant, Chinese cuisine; Margarita Restaurant, Mexican cuisine. Cosmetic salon, Cleopatra Turkish bath. Jacuzzi, diverse massage from experts. Peeling with anti-stress applications. Turkish bath, sauna, steam room. The paid section of the spa center is open from 9 to 19:30. The paid section of the spa center includes a separate Turkish bath, sauna, dressing room, and relaxation room. Reservation is required. The reception of the spa center will inform you about the state of your health. If the health status is appropriate, care is initiated. The spa center is open from 9 to 19:30. Available to all guests. Hammam, sauna, steam bath, relaxation room, shower, and changing room.